wear my dog visor at night so I can be cool. Yeah, buddy. What's up, guys? So this is what happens when I get done work early. I get to ride home in the dark. I'll be honest with you, I kind of like it. Nice and peaceful, not a lot of traffic. You know, would be great if I could get the lights to change for me though. There we go. That was quick. Look at that. So, yeah, I enjoy riding. It's peaceful. It's quiet. Not a lot of people out here. The only thing that I really need to be concerned about riding at this time of the day, which is 5:45 in the morning, is once I get up through Valley Forge Park, I tend to have a lot of deer running around in there, so that's really the main part where I gotta watch. You know, and I've actually seen deer in this area when it's been dark out on my way home. So I ordered an LED headlight and LED fog lamps, and now I just ordered the bulbs. I didn't order the day maker or anything like that. So this is what it looks like with just the halogen bulbs in, and I have the two fog lights, spotlights, auxiliary lights, whatever it is you want to call them. So this is what it looks like now. Hoping to get them in this weekend, and then we'll do this again hopefully next week. So I think it's going to be still nice enough next week to ride, or it hasn't reverted back to coldness yet. So like I said, hopefully I'll be able to get them in this weekend. Yeah, I'm going to put the bulbs in and do an oil change. So that's my plans for the weekend for the bike, since Sunday is going to be raining. So kind of sucks. I don't even know if you can see me right now. I don't know if there's enough light to even be able to see me in this situation, but I have my dark visor on. If you can't see me, I have my dark visor on, and it's shut temporarily. Now I got a set of clears on underneath, so if I need to see, I can just lift up the visor and see. So anyway, hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, I'm still wearing my dark visor at night. So it's 5-6 days later than the last video where I talked about my headlights. I actually got the new headlights and auxiliary lights in, and I'm actually in the same area I was on the last video when I was talking about these. So I did not do an install video because I really didn't want to, but this is what they look like, and from what I can see, they are a lot brighter than the halogen. Now these are just LED bulbs, they're not the day makers, but you know, this is low beam with the auxiliary lights on. So you can see it before and an after, as you're seeing the after. So it is brighter than what it was. You know, I'm sure if I got day makers, it'd be a lot brighter than what it is now. So, but I'm pleased with it. you know, for the money I spent on these bulbs, you know, to have that much more light as compared to the stock halogens, I'm not going to complain at all. If there weren't cars in front of me, I'd shoot the high beam to show that to you, but I don't want to irritate the people in front of me. So we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna worry about that at this point in time. So anybody out there that rides a Vaquero, I will leave a link to the lights that I used in the description below. So, but like I said, I'm quite happy with it at this point in time. Let me see what it looks like without the auxiliary lights on. Even without the auxiliary lights, it doesn't look really all that bad. I mean, it looks pretty good. You could see maybe a couple dark spots here and there, but I'm pleased. All right, guys, this is where I'm going to end it. So, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below in case you are interested in the bulbs that I used. So, until next time, my friends, stay safe and love one another. Peace.